So we have these mobile numbers in Excel sheet and we want to add country codes to these mobile numbers. So if we do it manually one by one, obviously it will take a lot of time. But with the help of a formula, it could be done within seconds. So let's check it out. So first we have to select all these mobile numbers, then we have to press Ctrl+1. After pressing Ctrl+1, we have to come to the custom and here we have to delete general, and instead of that we have to write the country code, for example 0021. So once we write the country code, then we have to write 10 times 0. These 0 should be according to the mobile digits which we have entered in the column. For example, the mobile number given in this column is 10 digits, so we have to write here 10 times 0. And when we press OK, then all the mobile numbers will be updated with the country codes. So for example, the country code here is 0021. Just as I press OK, it will appear with all the mobile numbers. As you can see, the country code appeared with all the mobile numbers without any problem. So it is very easy and simple. Thank you so much for your time. If you did learn something from this video, please like it. Thank you.